Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Welcome to Amber's Maths Mania. Dear students, today we will learn how to find log by using log table. For finding the value of logarithm, we should know how to find characteristic and how to find mantissa. Actually, logarithm of any number consists of two parts. One characteristic and other one is mantissa. If we are talking about characteristic, it is an integral part. It is positive for the number that are greater than 1 and negative for the number less than 1. So characteristic can be positive or negative. And mantissa is a decimal part which is always positive. If this is the number and we are going to find characteristic of this number, so how we are going to find it? We have to see how many digits are there in integral part. In integral part there is just one digit. So we have to subtract 1 from the number of digits in the integral part. 1 digit and we have to subtract 1 is equal to 0. So characteristic of this will be 0. Now let's talk about this number 99.6. Its integral part is having 2 digits. 2 digits and we have to subtract 1 from it. So characteristic will be positive 1. So its characteristic will be 1. Now let's talk about this one, third one example. So where there is no point, point is at the end of every number. In its integral part there are 3 digits, so we have to subtract 1. So characteristic of this 102 will be 2. Now I am having another number that is 0.872. So I have told you in all previous example that whatever is the number of digits before point or what is the integral part, we have to subtract 1 from the number of digits in its integral part. Integral part means the numbers which are before point. Fine. So how many digits are there in this integral part? There is no digit. So it means no digit means 0. 0. And I have told you that you have to subtract 1 from it. So it will be -1. And whenever we are having negative characteristics, so we have to write it down as 1 bar. If we are having this example that is 0.0032. Here in this example you see that there are no digits in the integral part, so it means that we are having 0 and we have to subtract -1 from it, so we are having -1. But here there is a twist that the digits are not starting right after the point. So they are starting after 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros are there, so I have to subtract -2 from it as well. So it will be -3. Hence the characteristic of this number will be 3 bar. Fine. Let's repeat this again. Here I have told you that simple rule to find characteristic was that whenever we are having a number in which its integral part is having no digit, so it means that 0 digit in integral part, I have to subtract -1 from it. Fine. So answer is -1. But as you see that digits are not starting right after the point. They are starting after 2 zeros. So after point 2 zeros are there, so we have to subtract -2 from it as well. So the characteristic will be -3 or 3 bar. Fine. Let's do another example of it. So here in this example, as you see that there is no digit in the integral part, so it means this is called the integral part. So there is no digit in the integral part, so it means that 0 -1 we have to do and the answer is -1. So and you see that digits are not starting right after the point. Rather, there are 4 zeros in between the digits and the point. So I have to subtract -4 as well from it. There are 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to subtract -4 from it as well. So the answer is -5. Hence the characteristic of this number is 5 bar. So we have learned how to find characteristic. Now we will see how to find the mantissa. Actually, log is the combination of characteristic and mantissa. C dot m, it is having two parts. One is characteristic and other one is mantissa. Characteristic we are writing before the point and mantissa we are writing after the point. So we have learned how to find characteristic. Now we will see how to find the mantissa. For mantissa we have to see values from the log table. So now let's come to the point how to find logarithm by log table. To find logarithm of any number, we must need characteristic and mantissa. And we have to write it down as C dot m. Means here we have to write down the characteristic and after point we have to write down mantissa. It is the log table. It is having three parts. It is the main column and this is the difference column and this is the mean difference column. So let's take an example. We have to find log of 278.2. So its characteristic will be, I have told you that you have to subtract -1 from the total number of digits in the integral part. Here in the integral part it is having 3 digits. So you have to subtract 3 minus 1. So its characteristic will be 2. Now we are going to find the mantissa. For the mantissa, first of all we have to forget about the point. We have to consider it as a number 2782. So for finding the mantissa we have to first of all forget about the point and afterwards we have to see these numbers in the log table. Before seeing these numbers in log table, we have to understand log table and how we are going to see the numbers in log table. Log table consists of these three parts. This is the main column and here it is the difference column and there are the mean difference columns. We have to see first two digits in main column like 27. Third digit we have to see from the difference column and the last digit we have to see from the mean difference column. Fine. Again I am repeating. First two digit you have to see from the main column and third digit you have to see from the difference column and the last digit from the mean difference column. So here we have to see 27th row in 8th column, that is 0.4440. We have to see first two digits in main column and the third digit we have to see in the difference column and the last digit, that is 2, we have to see in mean difference column, that is 3. So we have to add 4440 plus 3. Then it will be 4443. So its mantissa is 0.4443. Now, as I told you that logarithm is actually the combination of characteristic and mantissa. First of all, we are going to write characteristic, that is 2 point, what is mantissa? 4443. So it's too easy. Log of 278.2 is 2.4443. Now we are going to find log of 0.07058. Here I have told you that first of all we are going to find the characteristic of 0.07058. Here you can see that in integral part there is no digit So 0, and I have told you that you have to subtract -1. So it will be -1. So number is not starting right after point. So it is starting after 1 0. So you have to subtract how many zeros after point? There is 1 0. So you have to subtract -1 again from it. So it will be -2. So characteristic will be 2 bar. So this is the characteristic we have found. So for Mantissa we have to see log table. The first step is to forget about point. So here digits are 7058. So we have to see 70 in 5th column and 8 main difference column. Fine. So if it is 70 over there, so we have to see 70 in 5th column and mean difference 8. So 70 in 5th column is 8482 and its mean difference is 5. So we're gonna add 8482 plus 5, so it would be 8487. Here you can see from the book, this is the 70th row and this is the 5th column. So it is 8482 and difference table 8 in column, difference table column 8 is having value 5. So we have to see in this way, and we know that log is the combination of characteristic and Mantissa. C dot m we have to write down characteristic over there, and Mantissa we have to write down over there. So log of 0.07058 is 2 bar 0.8487. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture is beneficial for you and you have understood how to find logarithm by using log table. Now in my next lecture we will learn how to find anti-log by using anti-log table. So stay tuned, keep smiling, and Allah Hafiz.